Hello students, welcome class 4 to your e-learning computer class. I hope you all have watched your previous class. Previous class we have started a new chapter, chapter number 6, Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. This chapter is going on, right? This chapter is going on. Previous class I discussed how to open PowerPoint presentation, uses of PowerPoint presentation, how to open PowerPoint presentation and the components of PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint window. Previous class I discussed the component of MS PowerPoint window. Okay, so today I will start from creating an MS PowerPoint slide. How to create a slide? You know very well, when we make a presentation, we have to make a slide. Presentation is a there are many slides are in a presentation. Okay, so presentation, to create a new presentation we have to follow the steps. That means we have to make slide. Suppose book is a presentation and inside the pages is the slides. Okay, so let's start now. You all please open your book, page number 78. Okay, to create a new presentation we have to click on the file tab. If you want to make a presentation, how to make a presentation, how to create a new slide, we have to make slide for the presentation. Okay, maybe a 5 slides in a presentation, maybe a 100 slides, maybe a 50 slides. Okay, so how to create? Click on the file tab. We have to click on the file tab. We have to click on the file tab and then select the new option. When we click on the file tab, there is a drop down menu will appear. You just select. If you want to make a new, then you have to choose new option. You will see different templates under the available templates and themes. This type of window will open. From here you can choose any one, blank document, whatever you want. You just choose the blank presentation. You just choose the blank presentation because we want to insert something in a slide. We want to write something or we want to insert any picture, any photos in our slide. Okay, so blank presentation. First you have to click on the file tab. In under of the file tab there is a option, new option. You just click on the new option. When we click on the new option, we can see that the available templates and themes, this type of window will open. From here you just choose the blank presentation. You just choose the blank presentation by double click on it. There is a blank presentation, this option is here, this is this icon over here. You just double click on it. If you double click on it, this icon will open. Okay, or choose the blank presentation option by clicking on the create button. By clicking on the create button. In the another way also, double clicking on the blank presentation, in this way also you can make a presentation, that means a slide or a create option or blank presentation option. First choose the blank presentation, that means select it and then create button. Then click on the create. Here is the create button. You just click on the create button. Now then you can see new blank document, blank presentation is created. Now changing the slide layout. Now we can change the slide. How to make our slide? These are the layouts. Okay, you can change the layout of your slides by following the given step. How to make our slide, how to choose our slide layout? Click on the home tab. First we have to click on the which tab? Home tab. In under of the home tab there is a slide. Click on the slide group and click on the layout option. When we click on the home tab, there is a option layout. When we click on the layout option, this type of layout, that means many options will available. Now you can choose from here. A number of layout options are available here. A number of options, layout options are available over here. You can choose as you want. As you desired, you can choose from there. You can select the desired layout. You can choose your desired layout. Okay, choose the most appropriate layout and it automatically be applied to your slide. When you choose it, you can see automatically it will be chosen in your slide. Suppose you have chosen the first one, you can see that the There the different name is of this slide. Title slide. First one is a title slide. Now the default slide that appears when you create a new presentation. Suppose we want to create a new presentation. By default, which slide is create a new presentation is the title slide layout. Which slide? By default, always it take that title slide layout. Okay. To add a new slide, click on the new slide. If you want to click on the new slide button on the home tab. Creating a new presentation. How to creating a new presentation? A presentation can be created in two ways. We can make a presentation in two ways. What is the ways? Using the themes or templates. Using the themes we can make our presentations, or using a templates we can make our presentation. Using themes, how to make a presentation? A theme, what is theme? A theme is a unique shade of colors. What is theme? A theme is a unique shade of colors and effect that changes the look of the presentation. It is a look. When we make a presentation, that means it should be attractive, so that audience or who are watching your presentation, that should be interesting, and all the whatever you want to disclose, whatever you want to explain, everything should be clear. Okay, presentable form. Okay, so applying, you can apply the theme to a blank slide, to an existing slide, applying the themes to a blank slide. How to applying themes on a blank slide? Now first click on the file tab. In under of the file tab, there is a backstage view appears. When you click on the file tab, there is a backstage view is appeared. Now click new in the left pane. Now click new in the left pane. There is a new option. You just click new. This is the left pane. From here, if you want to make a presentation and you want to make a presentation by applying the theme, here you have to choose new. After clicking the new, you can do two things here. Click on the blank presentation. Here is a blank presentation. From here you can click the blank presentation, then click the create button. Whatever presentation is you required, you want, your desired theme, you just choose and click on the create button, or double click on it. In this way also you can do it. After that, go to the desired tab, that you can select any desired theme from the themes group. From the themes group, you just choose. Now click on the theme. A dialog box appears with choices of themes. Select the desired theme and click on create button. From here, which one you want, you just choose it and click on the create button. Applying theme to an existing slide. Click on the, if it is a blank slide, how to make a theme, how to create a theme, or applying theme to an existing slide. If your slide is already existing and if you want to apply theme in existing slide, this is the way. Click on the design tab. Which tab you have to click? There is a design tab. There is a home tab, view tab, insert tab, file tab. Inside there is a design tab. You just click on the design tab. After clicking the design tab, the theme group, select the desired theme. From the themes group, you just select the desired theme. If you want to more theme, you can click on the more button. There is more button is also over here. You just click on the more. Which one is, you can see. If you want to select from here, you can select. If you required more themes, you can select. You can click on more button. This will open themes gallery. This is a theme gallery. Theme gallery is open. Select desired theme. From the theme gallery, you can choose your desired theme. Now right click on the selected theme. Now just right click on the selected theme to view the different ways of applying the theme. Otherwise the theme will be applied to the entire presentation. Okay, you can, when you click on it, you can see the effect of that particular theme. Okay, you just click it and you just see the effect, and then you can choose which one you want to apply, which theme you want to apply. Now now I will discuss now using the template. How I am just explaining the how to using the themes and using the templates. What is the templates? Our templates is a pre-designed presentation. What is template? Template is a pre-designed, already designed in our slide. Okay, it's a in our presentation. A template is a pre-designed presentation that includes customs, formatting and designs. Create a presentation using the template following the given step. You have to follow the given step. Now click on the file tab. Now if you want to apply templates, click on the file tab. There is a backstage view will appear. When you click on the file tab, backstage view will appear. Select the new option. Select the new and select new desired template from the given templates, or you can search for the template. Search office.com for the templates sections. From here also you can search. Now click on this option. This opens a gallery offline templates, sorry, online templates. Which one is available you can get from here. If you require that, you cannot choose that template, you cannot choose that template from there, whatever have in your machine, then you can choose from the search office.com for templates. This option, if you search, then you can get a gallery. That means open a gallery of online templates. Select the desired theme. In this way of online also you can choose the themes. A preview of the templates will appear. A preview of the templates will appear. Click on the create to use the selected template. Now click on the create. There is a create option. If you want to choose, if you want to create a new one, then click on the create button. Okay, you all will read this one, and you who have computer in your home, they will make a presentation. Whatever I am discussing in the class, you all, this is fully a practical related chapter. You all will practice. Open Microsoft PowerPoint 2010 and you all will apply theme and templates. Okay, for today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Next class I will discuss adding a new slide. How to adding a new slide. Okay, bye beta.